Come test drive this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.